Hello, everybody, and welcome to Monday through Friday, April 20th to 24th. Although, really, it's more like April 57th. I don't know. It's just going on forever. I miss you guys so much. You have no idea. I know. I hope you guys miss us, but I can understand if you don't. I think if I was a kid, I might not always miss school. Okay, so let's talk about what we're going to be doing this week. We're going to be reading a short story. It's one of my all-time favorites. It's called Flowers for Algernon. And it's about a man named Charlie who he has limited intelligence, and he has the opportunity to get an operation to increase his intelligence. And this isn't really a spoiler. It works, but it's not without its problems. Um, why is the story called Flowers for Algernon? Well, you'll meet Algernon in the story, and you'll see why it's important as we go through. But it is about a man named Charlie. As we are reading, we're going to be focusing on two learning targets. First is determining the theme or central idea. You can read the whole learning target there, but really we're going to be hoping that you guys can come up with a theme or message by the end of the story. We're also going to be focusing down here at a point of view. Particularly Charlie's, because the whole story is told from Charlie's point of view. He sort of keeps like a diary, but they're called progress reports, but it looks like a diary. And Charlie's point of view changes quite a bit throughout the story as he goes through the experiment that increases his intelligence. So we're going to be looking for that. Hello, little doggy. Okay, and how do we know that you're successful? Well, by the end of this, you should be able to tell us how Charlie's point of view helps develop the theme. How does what Charlie goes through and all the changes he goes through with his point of view, how does that help us to figure out what the theme of the story is? You know, what all the things that happen to him, how does that, what do we learn from that? What's the message from that? And I don't know what's going on with me. I just feel like having animals with glasses today. You'll see on the soon in the next, like not the next slide, but soon. The story is on Pearson. This is a little graphic on how to get on Pearson, although, as always, we have a link to Pearson in Schoology. And as you know, if you click it and there's a frowny face, you click it again and it'll take you there. And when you get there, go to classes and you'll see the story Flowers for Algernon is assigned to you. Make sure you read the background information. It's important. All right. So activities. Look, one more animal with glasses. That cat looks just like mine, by the way. So your tasks. You're going to notice that your tasks look pretty much the same every day, except for the progress reports that you're going to read. So every day, we have broken it up into 5 sections because it is a long story. You're going to read a certain number of what's called progress reports, and they are numbered in the story. One progress report sometimes has multiple entries. So one progress report might have several dates in it. That's okay. Look for the labels that say progress report and stop at the next one. So like when you read progress reports 1 to 5 on Monday, when you get to progress report 6, you're done for the day. We want you each day to annotate the text. And that is going to be in the assignment page. But annotating the text means that anything that you notice about Charlie, wonder about Charlie, or questions you have about the story, you should be highlighting and making a comment. I feel that each day you should have at least 2 annotations. More is good. When you finish the reading each day, there will be a discussion post in that day's folder in Schoology. On Tuesday, you'll read progress report 6 to 8, annotate, discussion post. Wednesday, it's just progress report 9 because it is long, and you'll do the annotation and discussion post. Thursday, you're going to read progress reports 11 to 12. There is no progress report 10. I've never known why. There just is not. Annotate, discussion post. And Friday, you'll finish up the story and you'll annotate the text and do the discussion post. We are going to be setting up project choices for you to choose how you would like to display your knowledge of the whole story, but that will be coming the following week, either if we are back in school or if we are still here online. All right, guys, let's get to it. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Oh, remember, I'm on conference every day from 10 to 12. I'm on there with my voice. So if you get on there, you can say, "Hey, Miss Russo," and I'll hear you. Or you can simply chat. You can type in the chat and I'll be there. If you need help outside of that, I am on Remind. You can email me. You can message me on Schoology. Please get the help you need. All right. Goodbye for real.